My name's Nate, and today we're punching out pins and swapping out tracks on excavators. In the past, we've always had to outsource our track work due to the fact that the pins are pressed so tightly into the track links, about 30, 40, 50 ton. We made this $20,000 investment to better serve our customers and so we could get service done more promptly. We've been looking at these track presses for a long time, so today I'm pretty stoked about being able to use it. So this track press consists of a 100-ton ramp and a 10,000 PSI power pack. The idea is to position this over top of the link that we're going to press out, which is called the master link. Push the button, apply hydraulic pressure, and shove out the pin. So our customers requested a long reach with single bar grousers. We don't have one, but we do have another machine with single bar grousers. So what we have to do today to serve our customer is we're going to take the tracks off the other machine and swap them with this machine. What we're going to do is break that track down, pull this machine off of that set of tracks, and then drive this machine onto those tracks. This is when I'm in my most natural state. I'm trying to find something. Yeah, this is a little trick that I've learned from older field mechanics because typically we're out in the field, we don't have another set of hands to help us or another piece of equipment. So this is what we have to do to get by. Hook our chain to the front side of those tracks, run it across the top of the rollers, wrap our chain around this motor, and as we back up, it should draw that chain back up over top of the idler and then up over the roller. All you need is a chain. Now what we have to do is get this track up onto that sprocket so we can get a come along on it and then pull the track links together. And we just pressed our new pin in, so the tracks are installed on this new machine. It's very important to make sure your mating surfaces between the rail and the pad are perfectly clean. Now all I have to do is pump the tracks out. You're going to want about 1.5 inches of play between the center carrier and the idler. That's all there is to it. So if you like to play with big expensive toys and spend a lot of time outside, this is just another day on the job at Newman Tractor. If you want to be part of the team, send your resume to newmantractor.com.